Hey everybody and welcome back. So today in this video I will guide you step by step how to use Shopify with WordPress. So you can see I have my WordPress store ready, and right behind that I have my products and my Shopify store ready as well. So you can see this looks really good. Now to use your Shopify along with your WordPress, what you need to do, simply inside your WordPress you need to head over to your plugins section, and you have your various plugins showing up in here. Now what we're going to do is we need to head over to this plugin section, click on add plugins, and over here we are going to be integrating Shopify. So search in here, we have a plugin called external Shopify, and simply search in there for this and just wait for a couple of seconds until it is going to be loading. Alright, so you can see external store for Shopify. This displays products from Shopify store on your WordPress blogs using short codes, and you can go with various other as well. You can see we have products showcase Shopify as well. We can install this as well. So you can see we have this one currently that I recommend. I have a good rating as well, so you can simply click on try it and you can directly install it onto your WordPress. And what it is going to be doing is whatever products that you have onto your Shopify store is going to be easily synchronizing between both of your stores, so you can use Shopify along with your WordPress as well. And yeah, so you can merge both of these and have a benefit of both of these platforms. So all in all, we have a really nice set of combination. So I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.